everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Micah Pablo, Coach Gary Dansigal, and Lindsay Vanuatu, and the Calgary Eagles who won in 4 sets against the Dreamline Gold Smashers. Coach, congratulations on this win and for getting into the semi-final round. What can you say about how the team performed tonight against Dreamline?
It was team depth that helped us because one of our starters went down. And I could tell the girls just, a lot of girls aren't given playing time. I told maybe just keep battling. Your numbers called, perform, and Milo did that.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Milo with 26 points. Milo, pinasa ka after nung kay Lindsay. Siguro paano mo lang din pinasa sa sarili mo to really help the team get this win against Dreamline?
Siyempre, nagulat din sa nangyari kay Lindsay. Pero siyempre, nung pumasok ako, kumbaga, walang pressure din sa loob ng court. Kasi pag may pressure ka, medyo hindi mo may labas yung laro mo eh. Kaya sinabi ko for Lindsay talaga itong game na to. So, may effort naman ang bawat isa. Tapos kumana naman yung game.
Thank you. And for Lindsay, in the first set, you were taken out, but you came back inside later in the game. I guess, how did you manage to get yourself back together really and how that you're resting this week?
Yeah, I knew the team could do it without me. I had complete faith in them, but I said, if you girls need me, I'm ready to go in at any point. Obviously, it wasn't the best because I don't feel amazing at this moment, but of course, for this team, when they needed me, I was ready to go.
Thank you.
Coach, what can you say about Lindsay? About her resilience, she returned in the fourth set and helped you clinch the win.
Yeah, Lindsay's a strong-minded person, so when she told me she could go, I kept asking them, "Are you sure she's good?" And they said, "Yeah." She said, "We need her." And when I asked her, she told me she could do it, so I felt confident by putting her in there. And I think that gave us the extra lift. And she puts up a big block on that right side, so I think that means they're
in the third set, when Dreamline caught up big, did it cross your mind to bring Lindsay back in at that point? Did you really leave it to the end to bring her back?
No, at that point I was just going to kind of let it ride out, see how we did, and try to build a little momentum going into the fourth. I figured I didn't know how long we could use Lindsay, so I didn't want to go too early to her, and then she couldn't go, so we kind of just waited, hoped, and it worked out for us.
And for Lindsay, obviously, after what happened, I guess 50-50 decision on whether to take a gamble on returning or we're just resting it for the rest of the game. So did that cross your mind as well? Do we just sit this out first and see how it goes?
Yeah, for sure. Initially when it happened, I didn't think that I was going to be able to come back because it swelled up so much. But once I started moving it again and I was able to put my full weight on it and at least jump maybe half my vertical, I knew that I could at least go into play a little bit.
And for my coming in with yung void na iniwan ni Lindsay kanina, parang ano na siguro inisip mo nung time na dahil medyo limited din yung minutes mo for this conference and yung converted position din, pero when it mattered most, nag-step up ka talaga yung finish Dreamline.
Obviously, ready naman po kami lahat. Kahit mga second six lang kami. Pero syempre, pag pinasa kami ng mga coaches namin, kaya mag-perform kami. And also na hindi naman kami nag-iisa. Kumbaga, yung team effort natin is gumanan din talaga. So, especially sa mga coaches namin, yung adjustment din namin in the four sets nga, pinamang opposite si Lindsay. So, malaking bagay talaga sa amin si Lindsay sa loob ng court. Kasi syempre, yung presence pa niya sa loob ng court, nakaka-boost yung team natin.
Coach, in the semis, you guys will be facing Academy, and earlier they swept Farm Fresh. So what will be the mindset of getting that back?
Kind of like it was when we went into this one. At this point, all these 8 teams are really good teams, and if you're not playing your A game, you're going to get beat. So hopefully, we'll watch some film and rest up the next couple of days and try to bring our best game. And I'm sure Carter's going to be another dogfight for us.
For my line, Lindsay as well, going up against Academy, what will be the players' mindset heading into that match?
Yeah, we just have to attack the game how we've attacked the last 3 games. I feel like we're in a really good way right now. Our mentality is really strong. Akari gave us a fight last time we played them. I think it was 5 sets, 5 hard sets. And I know it's going to be a similar match. So we just have to go in strong-minded and keep playing how we play.
Ako pa rin. For Thursday kasi I'm sagad sa Akari, Siguro, kailangan talaga namin yung adjustment namin ulit. And syempre, si Lindsay medyo okay na rin siya. And sana itong game namin, may apply namin sa next game na natin sa Kari. And hopefully na yung teamwork namin as a team and syempre yung mga coaches namin na nire-remind kami kung ano yung mga dapat namin gawin sa loob ng
Thank you, Coach.